Welcome! So in this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to fix StumbleGuy's logging in problem. So if you're experiencing this problem in this game StumbleGuys, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. So first of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Poor internet connectivity can cause login issues in online games. Try resetting your router or connecting to a different network to see if it resolves the problem. Restart the game. Close the game completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor login issues. Update the game. Make sure you are running the latest version of Stumble Guys. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Check your App Store or platform for any available updates. Check for server status. Sometimes login issues can be caused by server problems on the game side. Check the official social media accounts or website of Stumble Guys to see if there are any server status updates or known issues. Clear cache. If you are playing on a mobile device, clearing the cache of the game might help. Go to your device's settings, find Application Manager or App Settings, locate Stumble Guys, and clear its cache. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Stumble Guys. This can resolve any corrupted files or installation issues that might be causing the login problem. And lastly, contact support. If none of the above or previous steps work and you continue to experience login issues, reach out to the game support team, provide them with details about the problem you're facing, including any error messages you encounter, your device or platform, and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Remember that specific solutions may vary depending on the nature of the login problem and the platform you're playing on. Staying patient and contacting the game support team can be essential in resolving persistent issues. So these are the guide on how to fix Stumble Guys logging in problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!